What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you put sausage, egg, and cheese on the inside of your pancake? I'm talking not the McGriddle, just, hey, let's go ahead and make it simple. Skip that drive-through, skip $6 McGriddle, because my kids love McGriddles. Me and Jerry love McGriddles. But last time we went and got McGriddles, it was $20-some for all of us to eat, just 4 McGriddles. So I decided, hey, let's take some sausage, egg, and cheese at the house, put some batter over it, grill it up. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make stuffed pancakes. Hope y'all enjoy and get ready. You need today for your breakfast, just some sausage, some pancake mix, and some eggs. And it's gonna be simple and easy. Let's get into it. All right, so I got my sausage here. I'm gonna start rolling it out. And then I just wanna get probably about 2 ounces. I don't want these very big because these are gonna go inside the pancakes. But I'm measuring them today because I want them all to be consistent with the same size. Our last one's gonna have to be a little bit bigger than the rest, but that is fine. Beautiful griddle out, and I'm gonna use it for this morning's breakfast because it'll make it easy. And I'm just gonna get my sausage balls on the griddle. Cook these on down. So what I mainly want to do is I want to start getting these cooked a little bit. So push down just a smidge. And I got 2, so I can add more pressure. Going down. Go a little bit of pepper. So I got my pancake mix. Just follow directions on the back of whatever yours says and the amount that you want. You feel it's going to be good for you and your family. Mine, I have 3 cups of mix in there, and I got 2 cups of water. We're just going to combine and mix. I'm going to move my sausage to one side, get my egg. Bloop. So there's going to be a trick to this. I'm going to put my stuff down. I'm going to wait patiently. I want this to start cooking, and I want to make sure that bottom's a little done because I don't want it to sink through the bottom. So once we start getting a little bubbles and you can start seeing it elevate, that's when we're going to add our sausage. All right, so now I'm starting to see the bigger bubbles form. And that's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm just going to lay my sausage down on top. Get a little bit more of that batter. Just kind of layer it up over the top of that sausage. And then grab it and flip it. Let's take one. I seen this idea and I was like, you know what? That seems right up my alley. We're going to try it out. Try again. Put that in there. Remaining before we add the eggs, and make sure we get it just right. There we go. All right, we're getting a bit adventurous. We're going for 3s. So we're starting to get a little bubbles. The bubbles. I'm going to go with the eggs this time. Getting wild with it. Perfect. And then we're just going to scoop. Nothing goes to waste. Perfect. That one's better. So, y'all, there you have it. Look at that. Perfectly inside our pancake is sausage, egg, and cheese. You guys have it. It's easy, a little intimidating, but you got this. What's the harm in trying it? If you fail, guess what? You still got pancakes. They gotta look pretty. Put your syrup right over top. The big thing is you're not spending $6 for a McGriddle going through the drive-thru. You're feeding your whole family. So let's go ahead and get into this. Try it out. I have my sausage and egg right there in my pancake. Yep. Yo, you need to try this. It's great. It's better than a McGriddle to me. All right, if you guys would do me a huge favor, like, comment, and subscribe. Make this, and if you do, comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.